This is for a Gotway MCM5 V2. I recently changed the tire on it, and after plugging it back in, it's off right now. But you see, when it rolls, it's got this chunky feeling, like there's a big knobby tire on it. And then when I start it up, hear that click. It's like it engaged the motor for a second, and then it beeps, and it doesn't self-balance, and it still has that chunky feeling. It doesn't roll smoothly. It does the beeps again if you tilt it too much one way or the other. There we go. I thought at first that maybe it was like the shipping mode or something, but I can deactivate the shipping mode still by holding the handle button and pressing the front 5 times. So here, I'll do that. And then turn it off. See, and when I turn it back on after deactivating the shipping mode, or maybe I just activated the shipping mode, but it doesn't do that motor click that it did before. So I can change it back and it will click the motor again when I turn on. Okay, now it's off. So now when I turn it back on, the motor will click again. But it doesn't balance. And it's got one red light there that's flashing where it says state. I'm not sure if that means anything. I did when I disassembled the wheel, I forgot to unplug the battery, and some of the terminals, after I had unplugged the 3 motor terminals, hit one of the capacitors or something and did some sparks. So I don't know if I blew something on the circuit board. It is wired correctly. I believe it's, let's see, we've got green on bottom, blue in the middle, and then yellow on top. Pretty sure that's how it was before I took it apart. So let me know what you think, or if nothing else, where I can source a new motherboard. Thanks.